Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off topics on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this marks here up, down, in down. Then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you just go up, you click here on this mark settings. Then it's going to take you to next window here or settings window, and you just go down here, so you keep going, then you come here to push notifications. You will click here, and it's going to take you to this window here. And you come here to topics. You just click here on this mark or this mark here, and it's going to turn off video. I can click here because my screenshot it's going to head with me. So just click here. It's going to turn off video. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.